Concept 2, determining the effects of outliers. All right, so when we're looking at the effects of an outlier on a data set, what we're going to do is we are going to find our mean, median, mode, and range for that data set with the outlier, and then we're going to look at the data set without the outlier and compare that data set's mean, median, mode, and range to our original. Okay? So if this is my data set, my outlier should be pretty obvious as this negative 30. Okay, it's very different than all these positive values between 33 and 16. All right, and I have already calculated the mean, median, mode, and range for this data set. Okay, the mean was 18, the median, my middle number is 24, the mode is 25, which is the only one that appears twice. And then my range from negative 30 to positive 33 is 63. Okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this same data set minus my negative 30 minus my outlier. Let's see if this works. There we go. All right. And now I'm going to find the mean, median, mode, and range of my new data set. Okay, the one without my outlier. So now, mean, I'll get my calculator out again. You can get it mostly on the screen. I've got 16 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24 plus 25 plus 25 plus 27 plus 33. And now, because I don't have my outlier, I have 8 values in my data set. So I'm going to divide that by 8 and get, Okay. 16 plus 20 plus 22 plus 24 plus 25 plus 25 plus 27 plus 33 equals 192 divided by 8, 24. So now my mean is 24. All right. My median is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the mean of 24 and 25, which should be 24.5. My mode is still going to be 25. And my range now is going to be 33. 33 minus 16 or 17. Okay? And so now we're going to compare those differences. Okay? So we would say the difference between my data set with the outlier and without it are my mean decreased by 6. So my mean went down 6, or sorry, up 6. My median increased by 0.5. My mode stayed the same. My mode was unchanged. Okay, and then my range decreased by, let's see, 46. Yeah, 46. Okay, range. Okay, and that's the information that you're going to be looking for when you're comparing or when you're looking at the effect of an outlier. Okay, the effect of this negative 30 being in there changed my mean by 6, my median by 0.5, my range by 46, and it did not affect my mode at all. All right, that's what we're looking for.